Good morning. Okay, let's go see what Silly Elf up to.
Whoa, Mommy!
Oh, Silly Elf. He was watching a movie last night. I wonder what he's watching. Maybe he's watching The Grinch. Ate? Look, he's eating Ate's favorite biscuit. You want to go sit down now?
Hey, Mommy, I'll poop.
You gonna poop? You guys. Tinan mo yung ano yung sa kilay niya. Nagkilay siya. Dito kami sa dentist ko. Ang dami niyang mark. Oh, tinan niyo. Tatuan na siya. Na-drop na namin si Riker sa school. So, dito kami sa dentist ko. And then later we'll go to Chinatown. Oh, ayan. Si Chinatown, si ate girl. Coloring lang siya dyan. Pag walang koloran yung table nila. Ayan. And then may dala naman kaming vibes. Yeah, guys. We're here na sa Central Market. Hindi ka pa ba nakapunta dito, Zoe? Hindi ka pa? Yeah, so dito kami Central Market. Ayan. Dito kami kakain sa Chinatown Cafe. Si Harley gutom na, nagkapa-open na siya. We have rice, my love. So, dami na pagkain. Ano to? Prawn dumpling? Prawn yan? Ito vegetable?
Prawn, tribe, tsaka chicken feet.
And chicken feet. Tayo na tayo magkakamay ng chicken feet. Kain. And fried rice.
Chicken feet.
Ayan guys. Tapos na kaming mag-lunch.
Parang mas cute pa to si Skull Panda.
Dito kami sa may Sakura shop. Ayan.
This
May
one
labubo daw
looks
sila.
cute.
So, ayan tayo yung pagpipilian dyan. Ano, makikiuso ba tayo? Ay, nako. $28 siya. Ang late niya lang, ha?
Yeah. Mas cute pa to si Skull Panda. See?
Parang horror.
Mukhang horror yan ngayon. Mukhang horror.
Ito ba yan? Lahat sila mukhang horror. Bahay na pala kami, guys. Sa TikTok yung dalawa. Kaya ito nag-aaral. Mamaya, pipikapin namin si Riker kasi hindi siya mapick up ni Ben. And magsisimbang gabi ulit kami ni ate mamaya, guys. Night yung church sa Gilonel, kagabi sa city kasi yun. Ayan, si ate o TikTokeris. Ang cute ni Ae. Someone's home. Ooh, what are you eating?
There's some food in the pot.
What's that? Oh, yum, yum, yum. Nag-bake kami ulit kahapon eh. Yummy.
Like your mom.
Riker, do you want to go to church tonight?
Oh, yes.
Mommy, Daddy gone in the church.
Daddy, you go to the church now?
Apparently there's a really nice Christmas lights tree near us.
Near us?
Yeah.
How about what street?
Well.
Now you have school tomorrow, you can't go to church with us. That's okay, you sleep early. Because church is at night time.
Like.
Ayan ang ulam namin tonight, mga leftover. Ito yung kanina, lunch, and then ayan yung kagabi. Yung may sabaw. Tapos, chicken kay Ben. Ito pala kay Ben, para matry niya yung fried rice. Hindi siya ganun kalasa, actually. Pero ito, okay pa. Pero noodles kasi yan, hindi siya kakain yan. Nagluto kami ng chicken. Nandun sila sa labas. Ano na, 6:36. So, alis kami ni ate maya-maya. Alas 8 yung simba. Kanta, guys. Si Riker ayaw pang kumain, no? Riker! Riker! Ang sarap pala kahit yung oil na lang na.
Yeah.
Ha? You're not gonna come, babe, because you have school tomorrow.
Linis ka natin
So, sasama pala si Zoe, guys, sa simba. Close na kami yan. Yan lang kumain. Yung mura. Malamig mamaya, so nakakano ako.
Mommy, let go, mommy, let go, mommy.
Mommy ka na po, sure.
Hey, what?
Next time you come, okay? Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow we can't go. Maybe on Thursday.
Hey, mommy, your water going to the church.
Oh, and you're gonna pray to Papa Jesus? Yeah? How do you pray? Like that.
Mommy, where's mommy working in the doctor?
Long sleep ako makeup.
Long sleep ka dahil.
Nalipin sa ako muna.
So, si daddy nila magpatulog sa kanila. Okay, you sleep with daddy, okay? Love you! Mwah!
Mommy, daddy goes here.
No, you're sleeping with daddy. Papahair din pala ako bukas ng umaga, guys. So, toner lang. Ready na tayo. Lahat tayo naka-gray, ah. Ito na kami sa church, guys. Napatakbo pa kami kasi malayo yung panaka namin. Tapos na kami magsimba, guys. Dito na kami sa St. Louis. Ayan, dito kami sa St. Louis. Kasi sa Glenelg yung church tonight. Mag-hot chocolate kami. Ice cream daw siya. And hot cocoa. Si ate, paubos na yung ice cream niya. Ikaw na talaga. Yum. Oh my God. Kabataan eh. Feeling nila si Snoop Dogg sila. Ayan. Ayan, kapag walang hangin, guys, maganda siya actually. Hindi siya malamig. Nakapag-content na sila, nakapag-TikTok na sila. It's so pretty cool. Dali. Nakakapagod, sumurong sila. Good morning. Ate is still asleep, guys. Parker wants to get down now because he wants to see Silly L. Okay. Uh-oh. What did Silly F do?
Silly L.
Oh no, he says, made you guys breakfast, enjoy. What's the breakfast? What is that? Huh? What's that? What breakfast did he make? What is it? Mama. What's that one?
A pig.
What did he do?
Pig.
Oh, yuck. Should we show Ai? We'll show Ai later? Yeah? Silly L. Well, just keep him there because Ai wants to see what Silly L did the last night too, no? So what are you up for breakfast?
Mommy, a pig.
I know. Do you want to try it?
Mm.
Hmm? Do you want to try the breakfast he made?
No.
That's not a poo-poo, baby. That's chocolate. That's just chocolate. Okay, what does Riker want for breakfast? Because you're going to school today. You guys, 8:12 na. So I'm gonna make Riker breakfast and then i-drop ko sa school early because I have a hair appointment today. So hindi ko na winash yung hair ko. Yeah. So toner lang naman today. Okay. You want Nutri-Grain or Wheat Pix?
I wanna put it this way.
You want to Put it in the tray. But Ate can't see it. What do you think? What are you gonna tell Ate? Ate wants to see it too. Or maybe I'll put it on that side. Na-drop ko na yung kids, guys. Or na-drop ko na rin si Ate. Kasi nasa mall siya ngayon. Papa-nails daw siya. So, I'm just getting my car wash. And diretso na ako sa salon. Fresh na ulit ang ating hair. So, ayan. Yung tinoner niya is ash color. So, ganyan. Ayan yung tsura niya ngayon. Sunduin na natin si Ate kasi nasa mall siya, nagpa-nails nga siya. And then we'll go home. Okay na kami, guys! Lunch tayo! May mga bisita kami dito. Kaya sa dia lang yung ano namin, lunch. Tapa ka na ito. May yan. Na. May mga ka-playmate sila. Kaya Ate nasa playroom. Zoe na Harley, they're just having their lunch now. Cute nila while watching Elemental. Dito yung dalawa, guys. So, nagko-coloring lang. Ito yung kung ginagawa ng dalawang dalaga dyan. Nanonood ng funny video. Good job, girls. Cutie pies. Busy sila doon. Dito tayo sa laundry kasi bibilangin ko yung mga regalo. Kung ilan ba yun mga nabili ko kay Harley and kay Riker. So, na lahat ng mga regalo. Hindi ko lang ginagamit yung napi, ano na yan, bin kasi nga, hindi naman napi si Riker. But anyway, halo-halo na to kasi may Christmas party nga kami sa Sunday, sa 22. So, ihiwalay ko na rin yun kasi kailangan ko na rin yung balutan soon. Naglalaro lang sila, guys. Minsan ayaw mag-share. Mahirap lang kasi sa mga batang may autism. They take a while to learn how to share or turn taking. So it's good daw. Nandito si Zoe, oh. Kasi kanina naiinis yan si Harley kasi nung kinukuha ni Zoe. Pero, natututo siya mag-share outside of her school bag. Zoe wants to join. Good girl. There you go. Good job, girls. Kasi alam ko naman sa school, tinuturuan sila. Pero iba pa rin kapag mga kaibigan outside school. Right, Ate? Naiinis pa rin siya, napapastraight pa rin siya. Lalo na kapag very interested siya sa laruan or sa ginagawa niya. Good job, Zoe! Yeah. There you go. Good job. See? Zoe shares to you and you share to Zoe. Pero may process kasi yan si Harley. She likes to do things in process. May proseso siya kapag may ginagawa siya. Silly girl. Alis pala kami. Punta kami sa Lobital Lights sa Hills para makita ni Ate. Tayo naka-tank top, siya naka-louse.
Grabe naman!
Ano lipstick ko? Oh, hindi ba? Nasawi.
Palit ka? Gusto mo mag-t-shirt? Sabi niya kasi long sleeve may hindi. Sige na, magpalit ka na doon. T-shirt ka na lang.
Ay?
Drama siya dahil. Kasi naka-pants ka na.
Mag-red lipstick tayo doon. Itong Levi's jeans ko, guys. Super nice ng cut niya sa akin. Ang comfy-comfy lang. Kasama pala namin sila Race, guys. Ayan, dito na kami, guys. Dinner, hi and dine. Ito yung kids, oh. Happy sila dyan. Si Ate na doon sumunod kay daddy niya. Sabi ko ito kasi iba yung tinuturo niya. Kasi nga yung gimbal niya, kailangan mo siyang i-focus. Anyway, ayan ang aming dinner. Pizza. And cheesy garlic pizza. And, walang gulay. Meat, kaya pala meat lovers lang.
Yung supreme nila.
Supreme nila. Ay, yung margarita pala yung masarap.
That's just garlic prawn.
Mali pala yung order namin, guys. Mali yung order.
Kasi akala mo, hindi pizza? Sabi ko nga pizza lahat.
That's Ais.
Mama! Ay, alo.
Gusto niya katabi niya si
Mamaya,
Alor.
tanuhin, hanapin ko mamaya yung set.
Careful with it, baby.
That's ice.
Kain na tayo, guys. Ayan, may plate. Thank you.
Yeah. No, touch it.
Hawakan mo
It's
na ang
cold.
kiddies.
No, drop it.
Oh, you sit here with Zoe.
Uso ka dito, Day.
You got a piece of pie.
You got that? Okay,
Ayan.
kids can have that.
Get rid of the
Gusto mo plate, Day?
Oh yeah, thank you, Mom.
piece of pie.
Ako kahit di na ako mag-plate, yung kids na lang.
Yeah, yung
She like
kids
her
na
plain.
Alright, that's good.
Lipat kasi kami ng table kasi.
Kaya ang lumipat sa maliit, so yun, hindi na mainit.
So, ang sikit ng aming table.
Pwede naman din tayo.
Hindi, pwede naman. Okay naman. Siksikan pa rin tayo lamigin.
Alo! Where's Alo?
Ang cute nila, guys. Takbo-takbo lang sila dito. Asan na si Riker? Ang daming bata eh. Ayan. Oo. Ang dami nilang kalaro eh.
Suspect. Unlimited rice. Water plan.
Uy! No, gising na. Umiyak na. Ayan na si ate dami. Good ate. Good ate naman. Si ate na dyan sa gitna. Sabi niya, wag na kayong tumakbo. Nandito na ako sa gitna. Daanan niyo ang obstacle. Oh. Una-una niya yung hinanap kanina. Oh.
I think she's gonna run with you guys.
Oh.
You ready?
Ayan, lakad na kami, guys. Ay, patata. Sarap.
Daddy.
Baka pupunta sa side.
Papunta na kami sa market, guys. Right, there's cars. I'm telling you. Naasan yung tita niya eh. Tignan mo, oh.
Merong. Ang sarap yun, oh. Mamaya, tikman natin yun. You like your plan? Oh. Jealous. Jealous is my baby.
The baby.
Oh,
Oh,
baby.
baby. Watch out, mate. There's so many people walking past.
Like Ayan.
Wala eh, mga kids.
Ito na kami manonood. Kami na talaga manonood ng nativity show. Ito, guys. Yung Belen. Nativity yan, di ba? Oo. Si Baby Jesus. May actual na baby talaga. Tsaka may actual na live animals. Ito na yung mga batang chong. Si Riker kanina gusto niya talagang buhatin si Indy. Ang cute.
I think Riker wants some
Makayak nga.
goats, and if you look above or near the top of the stable, you will see the doves. During the break time, if the children would like to come up and say hello to anybody in that area or pat the animals.
Kaya naman namin manood, guys. Ayan na.
Christmas is a time for celebration. It's the birth is what is conceived in her is from the Holy
Gusto
Spirit.
nila kay daddy nila.
She will give birth to a son, and you are to give him the name Jesus, which means God saves, because he will save people from their sins.
Tapos na kami manood ng show. Mag-hot chocolate na kami. And we'll walk to the car now because we're gonna go to the house that have a big Christmas lights decor. Kaya bibili yan ng donuts. Knowing Ben, he's gonna buy some donuts. Si Zoe mag-ice cream pa daw siya kahit malamig na. Diba? Binilan na ni Daddy ng laruan. Nandun sila sa loob ng market. What's that one? Cute! Ayan. Nag-order kami guys ng baked potatoes. Spuds. Spuds. Ano yan? Butter, cheese, and sour cream. Yum. Ayan. Dito na kami sa harap ng bahay ni Peg and Bill.
Ang tawag dito?
Peg and Bill. Si Peg and Bill ang may-ari.
Pants for IE, socks for IE,
I wonder like what year they started this.
Oh, you can ask them later. They normally see at the front.
Yeah. The story.
Beautiful couple. Ito naman yung book ko guys. Hala! Riker, mangaralin ka na.
Oh yeah, mangaralin tayo.
Jingle bells. Can you sing Jingle Bells?
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells ring and jingle
Wala na siyang boss.
About your egg, what a birthday in the morning.
Thank you.
Tonight you're away.
Yan, dito kami kay Peg and Bill's house. Look at their garden. Aww. Where's Raika? Raika, can you see it? Ang ganda guys. Diba? Maganda pa dun sa bahay. Ay, picture natin sila dun guys.
Wow! Very cool.
Asan na si Ai? Ayun si Ai. Holly, look at that! So pretty! Andun siya. Ay! Wala lag pa siya.
You passed the cake.
Ayan.
Ladybug! Ranka, ladybug!
Ayan, ang cute ng mga ano nila dito. Anik-anik sa window. Yung mga pa-Christmas thing nila. Ay, ang cute oh. Yung reindeer. Meron pa siyang pa-bowl dyan. So, buong garden niya talaga ang ganda. Ayan, tinan nyo guys. Favorite ni Ate Holly. Zoe, look! Ang ganda, diba? Kumakata ng apat-apat dito. As in, buong bahay. Amazing, diba? Yung collection nila nga. Ayan si Riker. Riker! Ayan si Santa. Si Santa, ayan eh. Bumababa ng hagdan.
Oh, that's like Santa, that's
Ang dami niyang Santa sa loob. Ayan o.
yeah, her wife.
Ang dami niyang decor, guys. Diba? Ay, si Silly Elf nandito din. To ni Riker, because there's so many trains.
Kasal.
Oh, there's a horsey too, Riker.
But it's a race.
Wow.
Kasal pa.
May kasal? Si Riker. Riker's dream, oh, is the train. Ayan, nagkita ng train, guys. Alo, look at the train.
Look like a peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hingi ng entrance.
Ayan sila ate. Wow, look at them.
They're so cute. I cannot. We're pictures
Yeah. Oh, it's dancing. What's dancing? Oh. May Belen sila doon. Ayun. Cute. Nandito sila guys, yung mag-asawa. Nagka-coffee lang.